Hello viewers, thanks for watching my video. My name is Harris. If you like this video, please share with your friends. If you want to get more update, you can subscribe this channel. So today we are going to see how to do the DAX formulas in Excel. So basically I have two tables in Excel. You can see that there is a January data is available and February data is available. So basically I want to combine those tables together. So I'm going to select this table and convert as a table format. I'm going to select a second table and do the same thing, table format. So we have created two table format. Now I want to combine these together. I'm creating a new Excel, and for my result, I'm going to create a blank table. Now there are three tables we have added. The first thing is we have to add this Power Pivot tab. If you don't see this Power Pivot tab in your computer, you can go to that file menu, options, add-ins, and here you need to select com add-ins and then go. Here you will have Microsoft Power Pivot for Excel option. You need to select this option and then click OK. So once you added the Power Pivot tab, you will have this add to data module option. Just select this table and then click add to data module. You can see that one more window has been opened and the data is loading into that window. Okay. Now let me minimize the window and select the second table and then use the same thing. Minimize the window and going to select the third table and add to the data module. So now we have added three tables. Now how we need to add DAX function in the table then? The first thing is we have to create a table. Go to the data, under the existing connection, select this table tab, and I want to select this table 3 because this table 3 is empty. This empty table I want to retrieve the data. Click OK. So now the table is ready. Just right click this table, go to the table option, use edit DAX function. So here you need to select DAX options and then remove this table 3. Now under the expression we have to add some formula. So today we are going to see how to add a union function in DAX. The first thing is if you want to add any formula in DAX, you have to use evaluate keyword. So this evaluate keyword is common for all the DAX functions. And then I'm going to use union, open parenthesis, and then hit enter. Now we have created two tables, table 1, comma, table 2. All right. We have added two tables together. Now I'm going to close this bracket and then OK. Now you can see that the table has been combined. What is the benefit of using this union function? If you have a different columns, the column will be added correctly. And then if you are adding more data, say for example, I'm going to add some other data. And then go to that consolidate data, click refresh all. You will get the consolidated data. So as soon as you are adding any data, it will be refreshed immediately. So that is what the DAX special. Thanks for watching my video again. We will see on the next video.